Welcome, my people. But there again once more, big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. I have videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. I would like you to tell me what I think about these videos as well. Alright, so first up, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show a group of persons, viewers and subscribers, and in the video, at least one person said a word that sounds like court, along with other words as well. Now, I think it would be best if you look and listen to this video for yourself so that you can get some form of understanding about this situation that you can see in this video. Because I don't want to tell you any wrong information. Look, listen and observe and tell me what you think.
Because he become a court and the man in charge, the man having a cell wall, lock you up. Well, I know man, I just I'm not putting on my phone that bomb man. Talk my phone man.
It's like disrespect them and say, me have the money and come and say getting up home. I'm here then I kill them and all quiz me.
Listen, I said, them have big disrespect man. I tell you that you don't know. Them have big man, them have big disrespect. I'm man lock up in a cell.
My people, so I know me hear the word jail, me hear the word cell, and a word that sounds like court in that video. So I say, say, it's not the first time. Hold on. Say it's not the first time me hear someone talk about a situation that is somewhat similar to someone going to court and then end up now holding here waiting to pay a fine or something like that or whatever. Yeah, me hear about a situation like that. But I saw it come, people. Alright, so tell me what you think about that situation, yeah, my people. Alright, now I'm going to present another video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and this video is going to show a person behaving certain ways while on the road somewhere out there. Or you could say that the person was behaving certain bad ways while out in the public. Now, the video shows when police arrived at the location where and when the video be recorded, and to my knowledge, police put handcuffs on the person and the person was placed in the back of a police service motor vehicle. Viewers and subscribers, in my point of view, I think that the person was being somewhat of a problem to persons who was at the location where and when the video be recorded, viewers and subscribers. At one point, I wondered if that person have some form of mental issue or so forth. So when you take a look at the video, tell me what you think about the situation. You can tell me if you think the person have mental issue or not. And some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe. I wonder if I can hear him. Somewhat hear the person. This. See? For the person to be while out in the public. See? It's like that person. Watch out. See? Watch out. You see that? Police. See that? Hold on, let's see what I got. Watch it. Push out the two and then fast. See? Handcuffs.
Blood.
Watch out. I signed this. Anyway, so I see another video that shows when the person was placed in the back of the police service motor vehicle that I can see in the video. But look at the person. But my people, look, I wonder if that person have mental health issues. I just wonder. You tell me what you think. Tell me if you think that person they are alright or not, yeah, my people. Yeah. And I read my people, I can't help but to think about a song that had been done by Uncle Mark. Yeah, a song that has the title Can't Return that had been done by Uncle Mark. I can't help but think about a song there. So I say, yeah, because I get information about a home invasion and all them things there. And I start to say to myself, say, Jano, the lyrics them in a song there, just connect with all kind of things that are going on in Jamaica. Yeah, man. Can't Return the song name. So my people, I want you to go over to the YouTube channel for Uncle Mark and go and check out that song. I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video down below, and if you click that link will take you to the song that I'm talking about, or I could say video, you see it, but it's basically a song still, and it's on the YouTube channel for Uncle Mark. You understand? Yeah, Uncle Mark song when you can't return. Go check it out. I'll leave a link in the description, and you click it to carry it to. Alright? Now here I'm going to leave a video with you, my viewers and subscribers, and this video will be recorded in Jamaica, and I think that some people on social media find this video to be funny. You see me I say, but let me explain a little bit about the video or the situation that you can see in the video. So, based on what I saw and heard in the video, I got the understanding that the video shows one person holding an object, and that person who was holding an object was chasing someone while holding the object. And while that was happening, viewers and subscribers, police officers who was traveling in a police service motor vehicle saw a man holding an object and chasing a man while holding the object. So police officers got out of the police service motor vehicle and chased that man who was holding the object or was chasing the man with the object. Police officers caught up with that man, viewers and subscribers, and based on a certain amount of words that at least two persons said, I got the understanding that they are saying that them a joker, or in my point of view, I think that they are trying to say to the police, I play them a play. Viewers and subscribers, take a look at this video and tell me what you think, and please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Mine! Hey! Don't fire! Don't shoot him!
My people, me can't blame police officers for really and truly react in such a way when them see a situation like that, because the police them might can't tell if a joke them a make or not. I tell you. Hey, so Jamaicans rough now, people. You know what, people? Listen. Yeah. Some Jamaicans ramp rough. Them ramp really rough. I want to talk to you about information that I got that if someone is identified as gay in Uganda, that person could face what some people call harsh punishment due to some type of bill or law that had been passed within Uganda, viewers and subscribers. And let me explain to you based on news articles that I read, alright? So I got information that people who identify as gay in Uganda risk life in prison after Parliament pass what is said to be a new bill to crack down on homosexual activities within Uganda. You know? See? So based on information that I got, viewers and subscribers, and listen carefully, it is said that it also includes death penalty in certain cases. You see me, I say, my people? One news article that I read said, and I'm going to say allegedly, that there is a lot of blackmail. Like for example, someone calls someone and tell that person that if the person don't give him or her money, then the person is going to report that person as gay. You see me, I say? Allegedly, no, viewers and subscribers. Notice I said allegedly. So, based on other information that I got from news articles, it is said that homosexual acts are already illegal in Uganda, viewers and subscribers. So, if so be the case, me I wonder, what's going on now then? Why is this whole thing being talked about more? since recently about Uganda. But based on a news article that I read, the news article said, but this bill introduces many new criminal offenses, as well as making merely identifying as gay illegal for the first time. The news article said that friends, family, and members of the community would have a duty to report individuals in same-sex relationships to the authorities. It was passed with widespread support in Uganda's parliament. Now I got the understanding that there are some persons within the LGBTQ community who totally not support what's going on in Uganda when it comes on to what some people might call the anti-gay law or the bill that had been passed in Uganda, viewers and subscribers. So I say, because I saw quite a number of videos posted on social media about this whole situation in Uganda, and some comments that I saw on social media gave me the understanding that some persons are with what's going on in Uganda and some persons are not with what's going on within Uganda. So, viewers and subscribers, Mr. Tell it like it is, and based on how I got information. And you know what? I think I'm going to leave this right there. But you can let me know what you think, you know, my people. You can let me know what you think. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.